Hello! We're going to unbox the Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, let's open this up. I need to break the tape. It just came today. And you probably can't see what I'm doing. I wonder if this will work a little bit. Kinda, sorta, not really. Be creative. Has a code in here. We like codes. Here's our little book. Be creative. We have Bee Plaid 5-inch stackers. And that would be this, which is Lori Holt. There, you can see all those. It's the reflection, the clear, okay? That's cute. There's a lot in there. This retails for $21.96. It's good to be true. This box marking the 6th anniversary of Sew Sampler. You'll enjoy double the charm. There's nothing basic about these Bee Plaids charm backs for Lori Holt. Can't speak. There's 2 of them, which would explain why $21.96 for these. All right, water soluble marker pen by Clover, retail value $5.50. There we go with that. Bucklebee pin pendant. I'm gonna have to open this one up. This is what the picture shows that it is. And I've got a new obsession. I'm collecting pins and charms, and I have this really cute, board to put them on. I'm going to add this to that board. Oh, look at that. I don't know that I would wear it, but it is adorable. It's going to go in with my stuff, and it has a clasp. Looks like if you take the chain out, it will open up like a clamshell, and I think it's just a button. Not sure, but it's nice and long. All right, that retails for $9. Then we also have Colonial Needle size 9. So these are hand needles. This is 16 needles, and they retail value at $2.35. Bless Quilt Along, Fig Tree and Company, Block 1. We have a new quilt block of the month. The Bless Quilt was designed by Joanna Figueroa as a celebration of shapes and colors that celebrate happiness. Each block brings something new to the table, as does the fun of quilt setting. Pick up your Bliss Quilt kit and make some joy with every piece and seam. The value for the block is $4.98. And I'm pretty sure, yep, there it is. Okay. There's more. Where did it go? Quilt pattern. It's called Fat Quarter Shop exclusive for Sew Sampler. It's called Buzz. It looks like buzzy. They look like bees. How cute. Do you see the little wings on them? So it says what you need are 2 stackers, 2 of these. You need 1 3/4 yard of background of white for background and borders, and 1/2 yard for your binding. And of course, 2 3/4 yard for the backing. Cute. Yeah, step-by-step simple instructions. Simple enough I can follow them anyway. All right, that pattern is valued $9.98. I believe I've got the whole thing. Here's a quick glance at everything in the box. Got 2 of these, your pattern, your needles, your marker, and then your block of the month. So, good job. I am excited that they are getting on top of it. This actually did say April 2022 box, and it's May 13th. So we should be seeing something soon, but this is really good that they're that caught up. All right, please comment. Let me know what you think about these. If you've got this box, if you want it, there's going to be a link below where you can click on it to get subscribed to it. Go check it out. Have a great day. I forgot the pendant. There's a pendant.